To all of you who have been to my trainings, I have repeatedly told about using two-finger clutch or even one-finger clutch. Let me demystify this concept. The traction point on your motorcycle is engaged with the clutch, and this clutch acts as a lever to accelerate your motorcycle or decelerate your motorcycle. If you press your clutch, the motorcycle slows down. If you release it, it paces up. So how do you do that efficiently? Finding the right traction point. The traction point is not at its full press or not at its full engaged. It is actually in between that. If you're using four fingers, which means you are engaging it more like an on and off switch. However, if you are using two finger or even one finger, you are engaging with more finesse because there is very less movement which is happening over here. When you have one finger or two fingers on the clutch lever, which means there are three fingers on the handlebar, that means now you can engage your motorcycle in a much efficient way. Why it is important? Because when you are going through undulations or any rough patch, you want more control rather than clutch action. And why two fingers or even one finger? Because one or two fingers are enough. You don't need the clutch to be acted as an on and off switch. You just need the clutch to be actuated in its traction point. Why don't you put your questions in the comment section below? I think it would be really nice for me to answer questions and put together some more content on those in the few videos that I'm coming forward.